anything you want to ask about technique, just ask, you know.
When I saw you play harmonics, you've got a little tricky technique when you go further up the same string.
Okay, you know who I
Still playing
learned?
harmonics.
You know who I learned that from?
How do you?
It wasn't a local guy. You know Don Sweatman?
That doesn't sound familiar.
He taught me how to chime like that. And this guy is from Staten Island now.
Can you show us
Yeah.
the trick? Because what
Okay.
you're doing with your right hand,
Okay, you put it here. Like I have this high one here.
yeah,
But no matter what string you're on, the first one is with your thumb.
so you're muting with this part.
Yeah, you see, in the mainland, I notice a lot of people do the knuckle chime, and it's too, I could never get that. In Hawaii, everybody chime with the palm, you know?
Okay, so you start off with a palm,
Yeah, you start out with your palm, but if you go with your palm all the way,
you run out of room.
yeah, you gotta close your hand. And I would be doing that, and Don Sweatman said, just do this. You know?
So you cock one finger in and you're using a knuckle?
No. Watch,
Same
watch.
palm?
Yeah, I still using my palm.
Still using the palm.
Yeah, but
Still a palm, it's not a finger.
there's like five.
But you're using your finger pick when you get up
Yeah,
there, pick
yeah.
the string.
Ah, you change
The,
the
fir-
picks.
the first one is just your thumb.
Right.
Okay? Then the next four is with
One of these guys.
What
with
fret
no
they are?
with your middle finger. Yeah, so you do this much.
Here. He's got this tuned to G.
Oh, that's why.
That's why it doesn't matter.
But he's still muting it with the
Still
palm of his
muting with
Yeah.
this part of your hand. Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
confusing.
you know, in Hawaii, that's how we chime. First time we came to the mainland, I was surprised to use a knuckle chime. I mean, it's clear, but for us, it's like awkward, yeah. So you listen to this, yeah. And one thing with chiming and even striking, a lot of teachers tell their students, you have to attack the steel. No, you have to touch. The lighter you pick or the lighter you chime, the sound is gonna blossom. You cannot force the things out. You attack the slide if you're playing like acoustic steel.
And it'll go funk.
Yeah, then you gotta, you know, but when you're playing electric steel, try to practice until you cannot hear your pick hitting the string. And it takes a
Come back in
while.
3 years.
Yeah, you know. Wait. There's five there.
So it's like 12, 7, and 5.
No, I don't know numbers. You know.
You find it.
Yeah, because sometimes, some days your palm is wider, so it's just the only time I can do it is when I'm not thinking. Yeah, you know what the old timers said, the way you play is when you get on stage, if you want to play real nice, you got to turn this off. Because true music is feel, right? Don't think, they said the only time you turn it on is when you collect your pay. I always say that, but you have to be, you touch the instrument, you don't strike. You touch, you know.
Thank you. Because when, for instance, when Alexis was playing Whispering Chime,
Yeah.
and she wasn't real confident, but she pulled it off perfectly.
Yeah.
That last chime,
Yeah.
I think she surprised herself.
You heard my sleepwalk the first night. It sounded like a nightmare, man. You know, because, you know, I tell you, I still screw up a whole lot when I play. You know, it's because I play the best when there's just a jam going on. When I'm on stage or in a recording studio, I have butterflies, nervous, because you don't want to mess up. That's why the best is when you're having just a jam. You know, you're not nervous because, and when I play in a jam, I can do things that I never did before because you're not, you know, everybody's not staring. But yeah, anything you like, you know, I practiced that for 3 years and I still didn't get it. But once you said, I had enough, then you wasted all that time. No matter how long it takes, it took me like, I started in 78, 79, and it took me 3 whole years of everyday practice before I could play in front of an audience. And then it took me like 15 more years, and then I started getting invited to this. And you shouldn't worry about when you're gonna get there. The only thing you're concerned about is, don't put a time limit on learning. The only thing you should remember is, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. And don't
Don't look at your
yeah.
watch.